house.
Remember all of those who are not with us today, Will and others who died serving their country, and just take a moment to be silent and say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I'd also like to welcome all of you, and a special welcome to some of you. Jeremy. Jeremy has just returned from Afghanistan recently. And we have Helen is our niece. Her son just arrived in Afghanistan. And we hope that everyone will come home safely. So, but thank you all for being here and for remembering Bill.
Oh yeah, paratroopers are many cuts above the average soldier, you know.
Well, no, I just remember growing up with him and me, Sadie Lurch, Johnny Lurch, and him hanging out at the Lurch's house, having sleepovers along their trampoline. And yeah, him and Johnny always chasing us around.
How old were you?
Elementary school, I'm not quite sure.
Right across the street from City Hall. Your grandparents.